Today is our first rainy day in, about a month. I think, remember July 4th we had some rain, or at least it was cold. But today we've had rain, a nice steady rain all day, and the garden is loving it. Look how green and luscious. Look at all those yellow squash. We've got pumpkins growing in here. It's just nice to see everything green, and I don't have to water except for the greenhouse. Looks great. There's some beautiful sunflowers starting back there. Tomatillos and tomatoes are going crazy over here. And our cucumber trellis is doing amazing too. Just growing and starting to go